So we're at Drayton Manor Resort for the opening of their new Vikings area.
Oh yes.
Yeah, this has been a long time coming. It's been basically constructed over the last year, maybe 6 months. I can't even remember now.
Ages.
Yeah. You know that Loki's down, which is a new Zamperla NebulaZ, which is actually the UK's first ever NebulaZ, which is really exciting. But it's sad that it's down, but hopefully in a couple of weeks' time it may be open.
And at least we can pop back and try it.
Yeah, they've got a new Disk'O Coaster. They've got a new pony trek ride, and also they've rethemed up the Buffalo Coaster, which is like one of the oldest rides in the park, and it's now called Jormungandr.
I'm really excited to get back on that.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it. And as you can just see there, they've had a whole new rebrand as well. So new logo, new colours, all that sort of stuff.
And that sign looks wicked.
It does look really
Proper
cool.
fits in with the Viking theme too, which is cool.
Yeah, it looks very different, but I like it there.
It looks so cool.
So we're actually in the overflow car park, so we're not in the main entrance. This is kind of like rarely used really, it's only for busy days. But yeah, you excited?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, we've got our season passes, let's go in. Okay, so we walked straight through the area and we're coming back to the main portal. So this is normally where you'd come into Vikings from the main park. As you can see, you got accelerator there. So yeah, like this is the portal. Like how good does that look? It looks so nice. Like the fact that it's not just a flat sign, it's got full on depth to it. And then Jormungandr, which is an old buffalo coaster, goes straight through it. You've got all these awesome shields.
The music's epic as well.
Yeah.
I love it.
So the music's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
To welcome you in.
Atmosphere.
So this is Jormungandr, which was the old buffalo coaster.
What is it? A snake?
A what?
A snake? A serpent?
Yeah, that's what the actual like myth is. It's kind of like a snake type of thing. I love the fact that you've got rocks, you've got planting. When all this grows, it's going to look really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there it is, the Disk'O Coaster.
Loading up, ready?
Oh yes.
It looks massive.
It's huge.
It's probably the same because it's just so open.
Yeah, I think that is right. So we have
little rock pools.
Yeah. Here's the NebulaZ, which obviously isn't open today. This is Loki. But look at this. It looks so nice just to be up close to it. Giving it a nice little wash. Hopefully, it opens today. You never know.
Look at that big chair.
Yeah. Big fan of this music, you know.
Yeah, it's so cool.
It feels like you're in a European park.
Yeah, probably.
I mean, look at all the flooring, it's all been properly done. So we've got this lovely photo opportunity here.
Big Viking throne. It's pretty epic.
That's Drayton Manor, it's all engraved in as well.
So cool. That's got to be
so
hand
good.
carved.
Yeah, I think it has. A lot of stuff here has all been done in-house, like the trains for Jormungandr, what you'll see in a second, have all been done in-house, like painted up and stuff. It's still the old buffalo trains, which is
Just
mad.
re-skinned kind of.
Yeah. So here we go, Slepnir Station. Again, the signs look amazing.
I need to have a look at this. I love these little pony rides.
Yeah, look at that. And again, this is one that's going to really like improve when like all the shrubbery and stuff grows and stuff. But yeah, it is funny. We love doing these, don't we?
Yeah.
There's a great one in Toverland.
Yeah,
that was so funny. Where you actually pass each other. Oh, it's great. They've got a passing point at a few places up here actually as well. Yeah, it's looking great though. Absolutely love it.
THOR's running.
Look at this. This is a place to get proper sausage, well, bratwursts, I guess, or just hot dogs. But this is so cool to see, like a permanent one, isn't it?
Yeah, they're usually just for events, aren't they?
Yeah.
Authentic Viking barbecue.
But all the detail of everything is so, it's on like a next level really for Drayton.
Walhalla.
Walhalla.
Jack potatoes, chicken wings, pulled pork, ice cream, hot drinks. Oh, I'm gonna get coffee.
You what?
I'm gonna get a coffee.
Yeah, let's get a coffee from Walhalla. Want to get some food here in a minute, in a bit.
Oh, they sell Doom Bar in France.
Look at that, proper fire. That's so rare for a UK park to have, like, I mean, they have it some places.
It smells amazing as well.
It's so
It's
nice.
fire. And for you veggies, they do vegan hot dogs on here too.
Oh yeah.
It's, I think £5.50 for a breakfast or vegan hot dog. Pretty good.
Nice. Oh, the sun's coming out.
Yay! Look
Got
at
some nice undercover seating over there.
It looks great everywhere you look.
It just
Like
looks
that's
really
the back
nice,
of that
doesn't
chair,
it?
but it looks so cool.
They've thought about a lot, really, haven't they?
The girls about it.
So I've just noticed they have easy access and fast pass entrance. Drayton Manor have never done fast pass, so I wonder if that's across the whole park.
Hello again. My name is Vikings friend. This is Viking Glory. Would you like to have a picture with Viking Glory? Come on in. Come in, you warrior. Good job.
We've got a Viking Rory over here.
This way, young
How good does he look? He looks great, doesn't he?
Yeah, he's so good.
So they are testing the NebulaZ. Does that mean it might open today? We'll see. So we're going to go do THOR, the Zamperla Disk'O Coaster. Is that a coaster there?
Yeah, it coasts. It coasts. It's a coaster. It's called a coaster.
It looks good. I like the way how far it goes up to the top.
Yeah, it looks really fun.
So as you can see, this is the main queue that goes all the way around there. But then you've got all this extended queue. Guess for very busy days. That's a big cattle pen down there. Yeah, stunning views over here of Shockwave. Nice little go there on THOR,
Yeah, it's really
the
fun.
Disk'O Coaster.
I love it. It's so
It's
cool.
really good, isn't it?
Yeah, the best bit is when you're going backwards over the hump spinning.
Yeah, the views are great, aren't they?
So good.
So we're just going to Walhalla now and getting some food. I think we're going to go for the hot dog, aren't we?
Yeah, give that a try.
Let's see what it's like. Nice. Basically, you get your order here and you pick up your hot dogs from over there. So nice. So they've also built this little decking that goes out literally onto the water, which is so nice. Loads of seating out here, and it's kind of hidden as well, so it's not as busy as all the other places to sit. Got a lovely view here of Shockwave going over. Oh, it's so nice just having this little I don't know what you call it, a decking pontoon. Joe's got the goods.
Got the goods.
That looks good.
They look well good.
Like the vegan sausages are like little ones, aren't they?
Yeah, 2 small ones.
Give it a bite.
Sorry, should I go for it? I saw bread first.
Good. Nice.
Really tasty.
What's it like? Is it like the Richmond type or the?
It's very much hot dog like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Really good. Very
Nice.
good.
So would you believe it? Loki is actually open. Oh no. Just as I say that, it's broken down.
How's it?
Yeah. So they're stuck there now. We'll get in anyway and we'll see. Look who we got. Got Bobby here. We've got James over here. How are we doing?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Yeah, what are you thinking of the new area?
I mean, it looks beautiful. I mean, it looks great. I think it's all done nicely. I think it's got a little bit of growing.
Yeah.
Like the planting and stuff like that. But no,
It's a bit like when Wicker Man was new, isn't it? When it was just looked really bare and empty, and now it's starting to come to life a little bit.
it's just done every little detail. It's great.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I like it. It's going in a good direction.
It is. You get on Apocalypse today? Finally? What do you think of it?
Going up was worse than coming down.
Yeah, no, it is,
Like,
to be fair.
The initial drop is hot.
Yeah.
But once you're coming down, I was like, I don't. It's like, but
Yeah.
I won't rush back on it.
You've done it now. You've done it.
Well
now,
done.
it's
You've done
fine.
it.
Done it. So yeah.
You've done it. And yeah, we're just trying to get on this thing now. It's a miracle it's open, to be honest, isn't it?
I really wasn't expecting to it to open.
Yeah, we'll see if we can get on it then.
I just heard him say, unload everyone. So I think it might.
Yeah.
On and they can't work out which chair it is that's doing it.
Take the ball promise, isn't it?
Override it.
Just hold it down. First time round, it was just because the gate weren't shut.
Nippy at the top. I think it's good that it goes like forward a lot and then backwards a lot. So depending which side you're sitting on, you're getting both experiences.
True. So the audio, this part of the audio sounds very much like Skyrim.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
It does. Hey Joe, no lollygagging.
No lollygag.
You never played the game though.
No, but I do know that's what's going on. Still gotta get on that boxing.
So we finally got on Loki.
Yeah, the Zamperla NebulaZ.
That was really fun, weren't it?
Really, really good fun, yeah. And
So-
you kind of go, we went backwards first and then forwards afterwards.
Yeah,
Really good.
I like it when you go forwards. It's almost like you're getting flung at, it's like catapulted forward, isn't
Yeah,
it?
you feel like more forceful going
Yeah.
around. It probably gets your tummy going as well.
Yeah, no, it's very good. It's really, really good. It took a long while to get on there, but I guess that's just like opening day
Yeah,
hiccups,
they
isn't
should
it?
pick it up a bit. I think if they had two guys doing the operations on
It
it.
seemed like there were lights on the inside that kept like lighting up, and it's to do with the sensors on the seats,
Yeah,
I think.
kept messing up.
So that was what kept
Also a bit of
stopping
a
it.
short cycle as well actually. I would have liked to keep it going a
Yeah.
bit longer, but yeah, it was good. I'm glad we got to do it.
I wonder on a less busy day they'll do a longer cycle.
Yeah, I'd hope so. Yeah.
Like you say, that was very short. So we're going to come on Slepnir now. Good little look at the front of Jormungandr. It looks very good, but yeah, the actual original trains are from Buffalo, just repainted up and redesigned. Look really good. A little better look of the actual trains themselves here. They look really nicely finished off.
They look really cool, don't they?
Yeah, you'd never guess they were the original Buffalo trains,
Nice.
would
They
you?
look brand new.
They literally look brand new. But yeah, we're gonna give Jormungandr a go to give it a miss today, just because we've got to go now. We didn't have long on park anyway.
Yeah, it's got a big
and
queue.
it's-
Buffalo always had a big queue.
Buffalo
as well.
always has a big queue, even though it takes a lot of people. It's just like quite slow at loading. So But yeah, Pony Trek was really well. Pony Trek, I call it Pony Trek. Slepnir was very good.
Very cute. I love the little pony.
Very nice and relaxing.
Yeah. It's long enough as well.
Yeah, long enough. But yeah, another little just look at like the actual buildings themselves, like how they're so textured. They've got like, you know, they're made to look really rugged and they've been like lived in and weathered and stuff like that. Such a great job. I believe it's been done by the same company. It's done all of Thomas Land as well. But even like these, you know, these little lights and stuff. Still got the bags on they have. But a better look over here. But that about wraps up our day here at Drayton Manor in the new area of Vikings.
Yes.
Yeah, it's been brilliant. We only had a couple of hours, well, 3 hours I think we've been here, but we still had to be a quick visit. So I wish we did get on Jormungandr, but it basically is Buffalo Train.
Yeah, we've done it
but
loads, it's good.
We've done it
and
ever
we'll do
since.
it next
I
time.
think it was probably my first coaster when I was a kid. Anyway.
Yeah, I bet it was, mine too.
But I really want to get back on there with the new trains. But everything else is so good. It's looking so good, like way better than I thought it could have.
It's such a good asset for the park, expanding into that area. It's brilliant. You got to come see it for yourself. It's so cool.
Yeah, it's just they've just done a brilliant job of it. It's such a good sign for this park that they're going down this more themed route.
Yeah.
I think like the selection of rides is really good. Yeah, Drayton Manor have done such a good job on this. Everyone should be really proud. It's great that they managed to get it open, you know, after, you know, some of the problems they've been facing. So yeah, really happy with it. Well done. Yeah, so thanks for watching this. If you have enjoyed this vlog, please give this video a like. If you'd like this sort of content, consider subscribing. It really helps us out. So yeah, from me it is bye, and from Joe it is
Walhalla!